Well, 3 people, among them a 1-month-old infant, were electrocuted in Kongoni, Naivasha, following a heavy downpour. During the incident, property worth thousands of shillings was reduced to ashes before firefighters managed to contain the inferno.
Trouble started after heavy rains accompanied by strong winds in Kongoni, Naivasha. The weather felled trees and electricity poles.
Kirusa maji, mtu anagogwa, na hapo ndio tulipata majeraha mingi.
Kenya Power analaumiwa kwa hii janga lenye litokea kwa sababu wangekuja warekebishe hii waya yenye ilikuwa imeregea. Hii janga jana ingetokea. Ilitokea kwa sababu walipigiwa simu karibu mara 3 last week. Na hawakurespond.
The power line was only less than a meter from the semi-permanent structures mostly used by small-scale traders. It is reported that the cables fell on one of the wooden houses, electrocuting a mother who was breastfeeding a minor. A middle-aged man who tried to help from a nearby house was also electrocuted as the fire spread to nearby structures. Over 5 villages were affected.